Hello formulators, it's Tasha of Tasha Monet's Formulations. Welcome back to the channel. And welcome back to day 2 of 12 days of holiday formulations. In today's video, I'm going to attempt to make a candy cane scented moisturizing soap. Because I'm not a soap maker, buying the soap base made this process much easier for me. Now this is a no judgment channel, but constructive criticism is accepted. So if you want to critique my technique in this video, please do so down in the comments. I also want to apologize. There's no recipe or formulation for this video. I just kind of winged it. So let's get started. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Happy holidays.